Hey, hello everyone, how are you? Well, guys, in this video, I have a book that is going to blow your mind. What? Yeah, you heard it right. This novel, basically, I have a novel that is written by none other than one and only author, Chetan Bhagat. What? What? Yeah, you heard it, right? And that novel is none other than Half Girlfriend. Yeah, you heard it, right? This is Half Girlfriend. No, I want Full Girlfriend. Wow, half is not my cup of tea, isn't it? So if you want to read this Half Girlfriend or you want Half Girlfriend, you can purchase this book. Description में यार link दिया, from there you can purchase this book without any problem. Otherwise rate purchase. Why to use your mind? Yeah, come on. I have given the link of this book in the description box so that you can purchase this book. Anyways, इस novel पे book movie भी आ चुकी है, and that movie was super horrible. I mean, you know what? Seriously, it was a big blunder for as for Half Girlfriend concerned. I mean, yeah, Arjun Kapoor looks like a bull shark की तरह दिखता है यार. In the frame of Sar, so cute. Shraddha Kapoor, bro. Shraddha Kapoor looks cute, bubbly in the front. He's a damn on. Oh my god. So it was a nasty one. Even this book is much better as compared to movies concerned. I mean, movie may have, I mean, it was like horrible, and it like, why this torturous movie presented by like मैं इसमें देखा था यार, उसमें इंडियन आइडल या ऐसे कोई भी शो चल रहा था. उसमें चेतन भगत, यार बहुत अच्छी मूवी बनी है. चलो यार, इट्स फाइन, तुम्हारी नॉवल बन रहा है तो मेरे को भी लगा चलो यार अच्छी मूवी बनी है, इट्स गुड थिंग ना यार, क्या है ना. ऑल्सो वॉच दैट मूवी, लेकिन व्हेन आई सॉ दिस मूवी, what the hell, bro? So ye book, as if you really want to experience the real sense of Half Girlfriend, you can go with this movie. This book is much more is a good way to to get the relish this Half Girlfriend लोचा and all. So really, तुम बुक को पढ़ोगे तो ज़्यादा मज़ा आएगा. और मैं एक्चुअली जब आया था उसी समय परचेज़ किया था, और उसके बाद इस बुक को पढ़ा, और मैंने इंजॉय किया था यार. मैंने जो भी जिस तरह से इसमें लिखा हुआ, जिस तरह से पोर्ट्रे किया गया, इस more than a movie kind of, you will going to visualize the things are going in this way, and it's going to be very amusing for you, right? So reading this book is going to give you much more comprehensive understanding what actually Half Girlfriend be, and you are going to amuse through this book instead of this movie that already been released. And it's a super, it's like, what source of combination is that? साड़ी की तरह, मतलब neither he looks cute, just because Kapoor is associated, you will give authority to make any person, I mean, like, any person can become hero. This is horrible. This is one of the aspect of nepotism. Yeah, I am a good looking guy, I can dance, I can do so many things, so I have all these qualities, so if I will become an actor, it's fine. It sounds cool, it sounds like, yeah, you deserve for it, that's why you're going for it. But somebody like Arjun Kapoor, who neither a qualified person nor like he has good look, I mean, and his body is like a bull body, as to become like a villain or any sort of negative character, he is going to be more certain to become a hero. So just because he is associated with Kapoor Khandan and all, right? So as like I have said this, I have given the link of this book in the description box. From there you can purchase this book, right? तो यार अब तुम बोलोगे यार मैं मूवी क्यों ना देखूँ इंस्टेड ऑफ रीडिंग दिस बुक, क्योंकि मूवी एक बहुत ही हॉरिबल मूवी बनाया है। इस मूवी को अच्छी तरह से बनाया जा सकता था। तो इफ़ यू वांट टू torture yourself, go with the movie. But if you really want to enjoy what is the real essence of Half Girlfriend, if you want to understand this is something what a good book to read is. In this book the things are portrayed in a much decent way as compared to like to watch this movie. I know to watch any movie is always a better option instead to read this book, but for this movie I will recommend to read this book instead to watch this movie, because movie is not portrayed in such a way that you will get the real essence of Half Girlfriend, or you are going to enjoy. I have already given the logic behind this, why this movie is so unsuccessful on theater, on box office, and as far as on human being heart is consideration, right? So this book is a good option, and this is 176 of rupees, so you can purchase from the store. But in the corona era you will possible you can become the victim of it. So to refrain from all this lochas and all this natak, and you don't want to ill, so it's fine to go and just, I have given the link in the description box. From there you can purchase this book without any hurdle. Yeah, really, instead of Arjun Kapoor अगर मैं होता तो it was like this movie is going to be a blockbuster. I mean, this movie could have been done better on box office. Lekin it's really a blunder. It was a blunder, right? And songs were not very catchy. I think just one song, you know. I mean, the combination itself so ugly, so nasty. What the hell is going on? You'll find it's like this is the biggest crap of 2019, right? So I would recommend read this book so that you can enhance your vocab as well. It's Raken. If you want to learn some slangs as well, what are slangs in these people are using, you can find in this book. There's so many things to this written things. So if you really like, yeah, it's a good to read. It has been little exaggerated, but it's not that boring to read. But if you want to really experience what is Half Girlfriend, or I mean to know what is Half Girlfriend, because it could be possible that just having Half Girlfriend you can achieve your goal. You don't need full girlfriend. I mean, half girlfriend, half half kind of I mean, you are going to enjoy full by having half. So this is it could be possible. It could be possible, right? So you can purchase this book, and this book is in my hand. This book is not just a book just because this is in my hand. What the hell are you talking about, bro? So read this book, Chaitan Bhagat, Indian only renowned novel writer. Oh, no, it's not right. I mean, renowned is that so many authors are also, but I don't know any other author as far as novel is concerned. But I know only on Chetan Bhagat. It could be like I'm not aware enough, but it could be like. I haven't read any Indian author novel, right? So, as for me, this book is a good option instead of movie, and if you can purchase this book and enjoy, really stand and have a gala time with this book. And it's always fine to read books. It's also good for your to understand things in a far back, and you can stand the importance of English as well. So like you can going to associate, because all the things written as far as Indian scenario is concerned, right? So how Indian guy, how Bihari guy think, how a Delhi girl think, how they unite here, what the things happen, this sort of things. So this kind of things, if you want to enjoy rallies and you want to go through it, purchase this book, I have given the link in the description. But before to signing off from this video, subscribe this channel, share this video, like this video, and don't forget to keep yourself healthy. This is something what very important in current scenario is concerned. Have a great day.